Thomas gyda golwg benderfynol ar ei wyneb yn barod i'n diweddaru.
Bore da. A message from 2052 has just appeared on my timeline. It confirms what I've been talking about, the link between the solar flare, the storm, and the messages. In this message, Ivan Rees refers to the anomaly, to things being a bit scrambled. In a nutshell, this latest flare has opened up some kind of connection between our time and his time, between now and 2052. We're now seeing an increasing flow of audio messages, images and video spilling across digital platforms. But there's no predictable pattern, there's a randomness to it. Other than this message from Ivan, we have had no reports of any direct or intentional attempts to communicate, yet they might not know they are speaking to us. But we can hear them. We're listening to the future. Da ni'n gwrando. Gwyliwch yn ofalus.